How to organize nodes in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I created this composition and added some nodes to it, and I want to organize it. One thing you can do is to right-click anywhere empty and select Line Up All Tools to Grid. This will move each node to the nearest grid it finds. Right-click and select Arrange Tool to Grid. Now by dragging a node, it will automatically attach the node to the grid and it is easier to organize nodes. Another option is to right-click and select Arrange Tools to connect it. Now by dragging a node, it will be arranged based on the nodes that it is connected to. Another option to organize nodes is by renaming and changing the color of the nodes. Select a node and press F2 to rename it. Also, select a node and in the inspector change its color. Now open up the Effects panel, expand Tools, and click on Flow. You can add a sticky note and type some text in it to help organize the workflow. Also, you can add an underlay to the composition and put some nodes in it to help organize the workflow. One last thing that you can do is to select some nodes and right-click on one of them, and select Group to group the nodes. Double-click on a group to expand the group. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.